So, you want to learn n8n, right? It's this amazing tool for automation, but man, where do you even begin? It can feel like a lot. Well, that's what we're here for. We're going to give you the smartest, fastest way to go from knowing nothing to building some seriously cool stuff. And this right here, this quote from the n8n community, it just hits the nail on the head. We've all been there, right? Stuck in tutorial hell. You watch video after video, but you never actually do anything. Our whole goal today is to help you break that cycle for good. All right, so first things first, what even is n8n? Think of it as a fair code platform. And what that really means is it's super flexible. You can build stuff visually, just dragging and dropping things around, but if you need to get fancy and write some code, you can do that too. It's literally the best of both worlds. Which leads us to the big question, doesn't it? How do you master a tool this powerful without getting totally lost? Look, learning anything new can be tough. But if you have a strategy, a real plan, you can learn way faster and start building cool things right away. Think of this as your personal playbook.
Okay, so your first step, and this might surprise you, it's not jumping into a tutorial. Nope, it's making a decision. You gotta choose your training ground. Where are you gonna build and mess things up? Are you gonna use their cloud service or host it yourself? This one choice will kind of shape your whole learning journey.
Let's break it down real simple. On one hand, you've got n8n Cloud. This is the easy button. Zero setup, they handle all the updates, it just works. On the other hand, you've got self-hosting. This is all about control. It's your data on your machine, and you can run as many workflows as you want. So really, it just comes down to this. What do you care about more? Convenience or total control? All right, once you've picked your arena, it's time for phase one, the official playbook. You got to learn the rules of the game before you can win, right? And the absolute best place to start is with the resources n8n gives you themselves. Think about it. Before you can build anything cool, you need to speak the language. The official courses are perfect for this. They give you the basic vocabulary, they teach you the core ideas, like how data moves around, what the heck a node is, and they build that mental model you're going to need for everything else. And check this out. The path is super clear. Level 1? You can knock that out in under 2 hours. Seriously. It takes you from knowing nothing to building your very first workflow, covering the basics of the interface and how it handles data. Then, Level 2 steps it up. It shows you how to use the code node for some JavaScript magic, and, crucially, how to make your automations tough and reliable with error handling. Okay, you've done the homework, you've got the theory. Now for the fun part. The most important part. Phase 2, the hands-on accelerator. This, my friends, is how you escape tutorial hell. This is where you actually start building and where the real learning happens. Let's go. And this is the secret sauce, the one thing that all the pros in the community forums say. The absolute fastest way to get good? Find a real-world problem you have, doesn't matter how small, and just start building a solution. When you're solving your own problem, that's when the knowledge really, really sticks. And here's the best part. You're not alone, and you're not starting from a blank page. Look at that number. Over 7,600 community-built workflows ready to go. It's like a giant treasure chest of ideas. You can just grab one for inspiration, or even use it as the starting point for your own thing. But what should you build? Okay, here are some easy ideas to get you started. How about something that automatically sorts your emails? Or what about a personal finance tracker that puts all your spending into a spreadsheet? You could even build a simple little AI agent with Telegram. And you know one of the best ways to learn? Find a template you think is cool and just try to build it yourself, from scratch. That right there is the power of reverse engineering. When you deconstruct one of those awesome community templates, you're not just learning about one little workflow. You're learning the pro-level patterns, the clever tricks that the experts use. It's literally like looking over the shoulder of a master architect while they work. Okay, we've covered a ton, so let's boil it all down into a super simple 3-step launch plan you can start right now. Here it is, super simple. Step 1, do the official Level 1 course. Get the basics down. It's fast, you gotta do it. Step 2, get your own instance set up, cloud or self-hosted. Doesn't matter, you need a sandbox to play in. And step 3, find one. Just one boring, repetitive thing you do every day and automate it. That's it. So there you have it. Learning isn't about watching, it's about doing. You have the playbook, you have the strategy to go from theory to actually building real stuff. So the only question left is,